Welcome back, everybody. We got another quick unboxing to do for you. This one came from WE Knife Company. I've been excited to get to this. I've had it for a few days and just have not had the chance to open it up. So let's get right into it. Now, even though I have not had the chance to open this up, I want you to take a look here. Somebody already has. This purple tape was done, my guess, by the post office. So I am not sure where down the line that this was opened up. Whether it was delivered to the wrong place and someone opened it up by accident, I don't know. But thank you to the person that decided, oh, that's not my mail. We're gonna get this to the person that it belongs to, or I would not be getting this. So literally just reaching my hand in and grabbing the box there. All right, this is going to be the WE Subjugator. So got some WE swag there. Nice cloth. It's got some weight to it. Look at that. Okay, so this is the WE Subjugator. That is blue titanium that you see there on the scales, and that just looks sharp. It is flipper and thumb stud there. Are we ready? Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I like the feel of that. That feels really good. It kind of locks your hand in, that grip. That's really nice. The blade feels substantial. It's got good jimping here on the top. Ooh, that's just good looking. Got good lockup. Thumb stud deployment is snappy. So far, I'm very impressed with this. It's got a good feel to it, and it looks good too. So this thing has 20 CV steel, and that's a steel that I do really like. So happy that they chose that on here. The centering on this knife is also very good. So out of the box, everything looks really nice, really tight. The pivot system is going to be caged ball bearings, so it's got a smooth ride. Notice I can basically shake it closed, and that's got a pretty hefty lock bar. So to be able to do that with that tension that I feel on that lock bar, that's pretty impressive, just to be honest with you. I like titanium scaled knives. The clip looks like it's going to be their standard type of clip. I'm not the fondest of the clip, just to be honest. I don't like the fact that it's not recessed in there, that it just like they screwed it on top of the scale material. It is reversible, so that part's nice for those that want to carry it on their left side. This has got a good feel, definitely. I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to do a full review on this because I'm very impressed on the front side with this knife. The deployment is easy with the flipper tab. It is easy with the thumb stud. And can even reverse flick it there. It wasn't quite as easy, but can be done. All in all, this is a good looking knife. This feels good. I'm anxious to put it in my pocket and put it to use for a few weeks. We'll put this in the queue for a full review down the road, and I'm anxious to do that. So thanks again for watching this unboxing of this Subjugator. I do appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, I invite you to do so if you like this content. Really do appreciate that. And I appreciate if you would like the video and leave me a comment. Those things are good for the old YouTube algorithm, and that helps the channel out very much. Thanks again very much for watching. God bless.